our mess manager is Shiva Kumar. Today we have Ajit. So here also Mr. Bang. Mr. Vimal. And so this section. So finally we are done with the mess video.
So hello everyone, today we'll be going to explore the most dangerous place of every college.
क्या
अरे भाई जिससे सब लोग डर के भागते हैं.
मेस का खाना?
Good guess. So this video is going to be a complete mess tour जहाँ पे खाना बनने से लेके प्लेट में आने तक का पूरा प्रोसेस बताने वाले हैं.
And the most important part of this video is going to be completely unscripted.
अबे ओए ओए मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट याद नहीं ओए.
Partially scripted.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं कि दाल में तड़का है या सिर्फ उम्मीद.
Okay, so now we will be starting the official mess tour video. I'll firstly introduce to our mess manager. He's Shiva Kumar. Yeah, I'm Kamal. And he's food safety inspector, Mr. Vimal. And you already know him is Harshit. So can I call you SK like for a short term?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, so now we will be entering into the maze, and as the safety says, we have to wear these head caps.
Head caps.
Okay, yeah, it's good. Yes, सब नहीं. Rules and regulation, it's mandatory to wear head cap and mask. So we'll be wearing that and going inside the mess. Then we'll be capturing whole mess, how it works, how they prepare food, and we'll be discussing with Shiva Kumar. He'll be guiding us throughout the mess, how they take care of safety and food safety and everything. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Ansali.
So guys, now we will begin the mess review, that how the food is prepared, and Mr. SK will teach us and show us that how they are preparing the food, what is the hygiene. Let's go. What happens at the dry store, if you can explain?
So basically this is a dry store. So what comes to your mind like when it is a dry store is we don't have any wet particles like such as vegetables, fruits, none of them are here.
Okay.
So whatever the raw materials is been received in the front area, that is called as receiving area.
Okay.
So all the raw materials will get on over there. So all the sorting, everything will happen over there. They'll check all the manufacturing expiry date
Okay.
and then directly get this into the store.
How much time does it take on an average for the sorting part?
Sorting part, it depends on the pulses also. Pulses are something which we have a longer mass quantity.
Okay.
So to go in depth and see each and every particle to be taken, at least to clear up 25 to 30 kgs, it is hardly 45 minutes at least is
Okay.
required, 45. So the manpower also, 2 people will be required.
And daily, how much quantity of food do Kriya students eat? Means
So
kg
every
wise.
day per meal 2000 plus is being cooked.
Okay, 2000 plus kg.
For 2000 people.
Okay, just
So-
want to know like what is the mess capacity, like sitting arrangement?
Seating arrangement, so coming to we have old dining hall and
Yeah.
we have new dining hall. Old dining hall is a capacity of 400, new dining hall is a capacity of 350.
Okay.
Yes. So here also you can see few posters over here.
Okay.
So each poster we have given a color code for the egg trays also. Why we have given a color code is, so you can see the egg vendors who are coming inside, they'll have a different colors of trays.
Okay.
Orange, green, so kind of thing. And we don't know like how they'll maintain the godown. So you can
Understood.
see a small cockroach, baby cockroaches also.
Can I
But
see?
yeah, please.
Okay. First in, first out.
Okay. Operation management techniques. Nice.
Nice.
So one more thing, we might get a doubt or something like everything is plastic.
Okay, yeah.
So we guys are using plastic. So Indian government is banning all the plastics or something. So this doubt definitely it might pop out for the people who are seeing the video.
Okay.
So for your confirmation, this is something called food grade.
Okay, so this
Plastic.
is not plastic, yeah?
Yes, food graded. We have
Okay.
a plastic different ways. A normal plastic and food graded. Food graded are the containers where you can store the food particles in it. So it is 100% safe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are also calibrated all the machines so it can give the accurate temperature of all the equipments, and we are following the FIFO or a FIFO product to ensure all the products are getting out before the expiry date itself.
That is what we learn in our operation class, FIFO and LIFO.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with the dry store inspection, and 5 out of 5 for safety, and for cleanliness 5 out of 5.
After completing the dry area, the food comes directly to the cooking part. So now we will see the cooking area as such. Please come.
This is a steamer. That's a idli steamer. What we are seeing?
Idli steamer.
Idli steamer.
Idli steamer.
Kilo.
How do you separate veg and non-veg part?
So we have 2 burners over here. So this is only for non-veg. So you can see that chicken is getting cooked. As today, it is Wednesday. We have non-veg. So this section is totally veg. So paneer, dal, rasam, everything will be prepared in this section, right? So not only for this, coming to tawas also, we have like you can see the mark. You can see the mark over there.
Kamal, can you show that non-veg tawa?
Come on.
So once after the wash, so everything will be arranged over here. Okay. So here also you can see whatever the used ones are at, so they'll get it for wash over here. Next we can go to roti area.
Okay.
So
Roti area.
we can see like few complaints like they are mixing maida and all in fulka. That also I'll clear it. Chal.
You are chef. Head chef.
Yeah.
What's your name? Rajesh.
Basically this is a roti making area.
Okay.
So whatever the fulkas that we are getting, so that will come from this place. So this is a capacity of 5,000 fulkas which it can produce.
Okay.
So then later on, this is a newly purchased machine. So it's been couple of months. So a dough ball has been kept over here.
Okay.
So that will push it inside. So this is something like presser.
Understood.
So where the dough will get pressed.
Okay. Nice.
So the round shape, whatever you see the fulka shape, will come over here. So this will travel into 3 layers.
Okay.
So it will automatically go inside. So again come down. So from here the fulkas pop out.
Okay.
So here
Then-
also the person will take a ladle and pick it up.
Sure.
So we have a container which will be kept along with the silver foil.
बेसिकली सर आई जस्ट वांट टू नो लाइक ओके हिंदी तो अपन जब खाना रोटी आती है तो रोटी में हमने देखा है कि उसपे आटा बहुत लगा हुआ रहता है, सफेद सफेद पाउडर लगा रहता है, तो ये क्या मतलब मशीन का फंक्शनिंग का इशू है कि मशीन सही से नहीं बना पा रही है या फिर अपनी साइड से कोई दिक्कत है?
क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है ना, वो
अच्छा।
टाइम वो मिशन में क्या थोड़ा इसका थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है टाइम पेसिंग का प्लेट का।
अच्छा
अभी हाथ में बेल को डाल रहा बोल के थोड़ा पावरड है। अब वो मशीन में पेसिंग करके देगा प्लेट में,
हाँ।
वो तो उतना पावरड नहीं आएगा। अभी हाथ में बेल के दे रहा ना
हाँ।
हैंडमेड जो बोलता है हैंडमेड में देगा तो उतना पावरड नहीं आएगा।
अच्छा, तो ये बेसिकली अपन वो हाथ से बना के देते
हाथ से
हैं?
बना के दे रहा हूँ। अभी मशीन है ना तो प्रॉब्लम है।
अच्छा, मशीन में
पहले
ओके।
उसको एक्सचेंज करेगा
तो
तो
अगर आपको पाउडर कम करना हो तो कुछ कंटेंट में चेंजेस करके कैसे भी करके हम जो रोटी पे जो पाउडर आ रहा है वो कम कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि
हाँ
वो
सर।
कॉमन प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं हम।
अभी हम कर सकते बोले तो सर वो पेसिंग करेगा ना, वो बेलने
हाँ।
के टाइम वो मैदा लगा के बेलना पड़ता है। मशीन में डालेगा तो मैदा जरूरत नहीं है,
ओके
उसके ऐसे डाल सकते हैं।
हाँ।
बेलने के टाइम मैदा लगा के बेलना है।
ठीक है।
अब ऐसे डालेगा तो मैदा लगाने का जरूरत नहीं, मशीन को मैदा नहीं चाहिए, हाथ में बेलने के लिए मैदा चाहिए।
Next is the plate washing area.
ओके
So you can see like this is a plate washing machine.
ओके
So you can see the temperature.
yes.
It's very heat.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
So we are, in the entrance only we are not able to take this heat, but the employees are literally working for 8 to 10 hours just to clean all the plates. So the plate capacity we have around 1,400 for each meal. So these are the lunch plates what we can see.
करेक्ट। So far, so we saw how you make the meal and how you clean the plates and everything. But we also had couple of questions some are on the positive side, some are on the criticism side. So we would like to talk to you at a quiet place, so we
Yes,
can go
we
somewhere. Yeah, thank you.
Actually, my umbrella is with someone. Yeah, it's fine. Take it easy.
So finally we are done with the mesh tour video, and अब हम नॉर्मली सेफ सर से और हमारे फूड मैनेजर से सॉरी मेस मैनेजर से डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो बेसिक क्वेश्चन है जो स्टूडेंट्स ने हमसे पूछे कि एक बार कन्वे कर देना, हम वो सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो फर्स्टली आई रियली अप्रिशिएट अबाउट द क्लीनलीनेस. बहुत अच्छा मेंटेन कर रखा है, लाइक क्लीनिंग एंड ऑल इज़ वेरी गुड. Secondly, the safety thing, like as we saw in the dry store, the safety part is really good. Now my friend will ask the basic questions which were asked by students. Yeah.
ओके सो सबसे पहले क्योंकि सर को हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल है, आप जो ब्रेकफास्ट बना रहे हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ वेरी गुड. मीन्स वी थिंक दैट आउट ऑफ ऑल द मील्स ब्रेकफास्ट इज समथिंग विच इज़ जेन्युइनली गुड. ब्रेकफास्ट में आप जो ब्रेड दे रहे हैं, बटर दे रहे हैं, जैम दे रहे हैं, विच इज़ गुड. साथ में आप जो डोसा देते हैं कभी कभी, तो क्या होता है मॉर्निंग में हमारे क्लास होता है, तो डोसास के लिए हमको ज़्यादा वेट करना पड़ता है. तो कुछ उसमें कैन वी डू समथिंग दैट इन डोसा वी हैव टू स्टैंड लिटिल लेस.
Yeah. So this complaints I've been getting it from almost 1 year. So it's been like 1.5 years that I've joined Kriya or something.
Okay.
So what is happening here is coming to our dosas, masala dosa and aloo paratha. These are something like live counters.
Correct.
So what we have faced is we have a solution for this. Like many a times we have pre-prepared and put it in hot cases also. When we do that, what are the complaints that I'm receiving? Yes, the food is not hot,
The food is not
not heat,
Okay,
or
okay.
it is not like given hot or something.
Understood.
So the doses, what it is happening, it's getting harder.
understood.
So in a one dosa tawa, almost I can prepare 18 dosas, 18 to 22 dosas at a time. So
Okay.
on a calculation, see, if I'm a person like as a student, I'll at least have to. So
Correct.
if it is 22, like how many? It is some hardly 7 to 8. So
Correct.
again, if I have to make a fresh batch, so again it will at least take me 5 minutes. So
Okay.
what we are doing is we are ready to give the food.
Hmm.
But I totally understand you also have classes.
Correct.
But so that is something a mutual understanding like what we have
Sure.
done. In this case, what we have done, if something is getting delayed or something,
Hmm.
so this egg, fruits and whatever the bread is there, that we have kept a constant one. At
Okay.
least if a student is getting like more hurry for the classes or something.
Okay.
So I can tell that is the major thing what happened, but we will rush such a faster way in the kitchen that all the 3 towers will be on. All the 3 towers will be on. But you can see like how many counters also we have.
Yeah. So apart from that, we also got an question like as you mentioned that seasonal food in breakfast, but always we have is banana and watermelon. So do we have any other alternative option which we can add in our menu?
Yes, actually watermelon, banana and muskmelon.
Okay.
Muskmelon also is something seasonal one only. So what is the problem with muskmelon is if I'm procuring 50 kgs, in that for me 15 or 20 kgs will be a wastage. Because why this is happening is either the raw materials have to come from Chennai or from Sulurpet. So Sulurpet is something where all the localites are also there and many people will supply to this Sri City Industries along with our university also.
Okay.
For me, major products will come from Chennai itself. So if that's the case, what is available? So in a bulk quantity only, I'll be able to give.
Sure.
So because previously what I had done in the one set, if I'm trying to give banana, if it is getting over or something, again I'll replace with watermelon. So there also I get a complaint. So
Understood.
for my friend, he has got banana, but I've got watermelon.
Oh yeah.
So these complaints also we have got. So you can ask me, sir, how about we can give this guava or apple? See, these are whole fruit. We can't just cut and keep. If we cut it and keep it also, there's a brown layer which has been found on it.
Correct.
So that also students might think that okay, when they have cut this, we don't know.
एक मेरे फ्रेंड ने पूछा था कि लाइक जब स्पेशल डिनर होता है उस दिन खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है, तो मतलब उसका और नॉर्मल में अपना उससे बिल्कुल मैच नहीं कर पाते. तो ऐसा like in that special dinner also we are cooking in the bulk. So what is the major difference coming?
So this was the question actually regularly we get asked also. So coming to this, so basically we are paying 180 rupees. So like that is not for one meal. So in that 180, what are we getting? Is a thing like what we have to firstly think, right? So what I can give you the example is, so what are the food that we are eating in the next dhaba or something? So how much a basic fried rice costs for us? At least 90, 100, 100. So if you just go to some cave or something, like if you are going to take some samosa along with some chai and some savories or something, like what would be the price? Nearly it will go around 30-40 rupees.
30-40 rupees.
So coming to 180 rupees, here we are getting morning breakfast, lunch, snacks as well as dinner,
Okay.
right? So coming to special dinner, sir, it is totally different. Here, coming to the special dinners or lunch, it is Diwali, Christmas, and
The freshers or anything. Huh?
so almost it is paid for 250 to 300 rupees per plate. What it has been. So coming to the ingredients also, the ingredients are the same. I use the same Everest. I use the same pav bhaji masala.
Okay.
But coming to this lot, the quantity and additional ingredients also will add on to it.
Okay.
Right. So that differs over here. Coming to the quality is totally the same.
Additionally, we had one question
Yeah.
that if we consider the lunch part and if we focus on the dinner part, so in dinner you make veg also and non-veg also, which is not the case in lunch, correct? In lunch there is only
It is
pure
not.
veg. So when we see in the non-veg part, the quality of the food which I am a vegetarian, so what I have heard from my friends is that the non-veg is eatable, or they say that yeah, we can have a good dinner for non-veg, but I can't feel the same for the veg part. Now the quantity is respected, means you are making on the bulk for the veg and non-veg both. But still I face a thick difference, means because I eat 1 or 2 roti in veg, but in non-veg my friends will have 3 to 4 rotis. Additionally they will have rice and they will add the chicken and everything. So, and also when there is a special dinner or anything, what we have seen that there is a thick difference in the veg quantities or the options which I get in the veg food and the options they get in the non-veg food, because also in the Christmas or Diwali, no, not in the Diwali, in Christmas last year we saw that for the non-veg there were multiple varieties. I guess there were mutton and everything also available if I'm not wrong, but in veg there were not much things. So if you can guide us that
So
what's...
why is this veg and non? So I think this question can't be like why veg and non-veg. It comes to the menu, I guess.
Okay.
So this thing, so a non-vegetarian has a lot of varieties. Why not vegetarian has? So one more clarity I would like to give. So whatever the regular menu that we are doing, whatever the special menu we are doing, the mess is not making the menu.
Okay, so who is making that menu? Like who
Coming
is
to a
this?
regular or the special one, so it is the food committee. So who are involved in this food committee? If you ask, like all the department students.
Okay.
So let it be MBA, BBA, CS. So voluntarily they'll get into food committee.
Okay.
So each and every menu is being discussed with them and finalized by the food committee, including the regular menu also, like what the present one is done.
Okay.
So here, what happens in the initial time, we will give one draft menu. So that will be put up to the food committee. So what food committee does, whatever is required, so they will replace with one more thing, and the final menu will be sent by the food committee.
Okay.
So after that, so this is the menu which has been finalized for this month. So that will be sent to the kitchen team. So here only the execution part happens. No major decision will be taken by the kitchen team.
Another thing which we have faced, which was not the case last year, is that now we have to wait a couple of more times to get spoons. Means what we have seen that unless and until there means if there is 0 spoons, only after then we have to wait some 5-7 minutes and then the spoons are refilled. So one question we had that when there are some 5 or 10 spoons remaining, why can't we refill the spoons? And same case is with the rotis. Means when the rotis is completely empty, we again have to wait for 5-10 minutes. So people are saying that means there are strategy professors which we have in our college. Means MES should take professors, means classes from our professor for the strategy part. This is what we have heard as a slang as such.
Anyway, like suggestions also is taken. So coming to spoons part or something, what is happening? So you tell me like if I'm picking up a spoon, so again I'll just give it to the pot washing area, right?
Correct.
So coming to the Swan department, many of them have got spoons, glasses, and sometimes plates also from the student rooms,
Okay.
right?
Uh-huh.
So the utensils,
But
like
how many spoons a student will take? Means we
no,
have abundance
maximum
of...
it will go, it
Ah.
will come. But coming to the washing part also, I'm telling you. So
Ah.
whatever the dish washing you are saying, in that only like all the glasses should be clean, all
Correct.
the plates. So what is everything is coming in a sequence.
Okay.
So what is happening if counter number 1 and 2 has a 0 spoons and counter number 4 also has a 0 spoons, let us say counter number 5 and 6 has a bulk of spoons.
Ah.
In that period of time, at least to tell, so there's nothing over here,
Ah.
what they're doing, they're just managing
Uh-huh.
by getting some 20-30 spoons and they're just replacing it here. So coming to dishwashing or something, at least the rag to come outside, it will take 4 minutes of it.
So dishwashing we can understand. We have abundance of plates. Means every time we go there is a plate on the table. That is not a problem. But the main thing is spoon and sometimes tissue paper. Not always, but very rarely we face a issue for tissue paper. But spoons and rotis is something in this past 1 month we have faced a lot. Every time we have to wait for at least 5 minutes. At least we have to wait, and then there's a long queue behind us.
So for the spoons, like what is the rectification that we are doing is, we are trying to increase the quantity of the spoons and more and
Okay.
more, or we are also planning to keep some wooden spoons additionally.
Okay.
So coming to roti, yes, like sometimes as it is a batch wise. So as it goes a batch wise one. So if I'm making the production in the initial time, so the rotis are kept in the hot cases, and again we feel that elasticity thing. So if it is hot only, it is easy to eat. So what they're doing for each and every counter, they're sending some bulk quantity. So in that process, it might got late, but surely the kitchen committee will work more efficient on it.
It's just a suggestion. It's just a suggestion from my side. Like that how much wastage is going on, but the thing is like you can't you just forecast that ki in particular day, like on Monday this much food wastage was there, on Tuesday this much food wastage was there. So from that estimation you can send to that food committee that this particular food is not eaten by the students, this particular vegetable is not being liked by students, so we can replace that. These suggestions can you send to food committee, or like it's completely up to food committee?
No, for the last 3 months we have worked on the food wastage. So actually, I will keep an eye. So actually, there are two type of food wastage. One is the plate wastage, where food has been taken in the student and discarded in the dustbin. That is a plate wastage. And the second one is a production wastage. So we can tell the production wastage has not. I mean, it is more means the students are really not liking the food. So that is why the production wastage are happened. When it coming to the plate wastage, I think students are taking so much in the first time itself. So what is the thing is they can't able to eat that so much food that has been they are getting. So in that cases we are received so much plate wastage when compared to the production wastage. For example,
sorry to interrupt, but when we say that there is a higher of plate wastage, it cannot be the case that majority of the students take food unknowingly, means on a huge quantity. There might be a case that students genuinely didn't like the food, maybe because of the food
it may be
taste,
that,
or
because of the food combination which has been set on the menu.
because
Or
when we
else,
see that, means there are veg food also, non-veg food also. But when we see that in a lunch, I feel that majority of the food is wasted in the lunch part, because as I mentioned earlier, that lunch is something which people try to skip by having a heavy breakfast. To portray my similar point, so as a mess manager, do you think that if we can improve lunch food, there may be a chance that there is a reduction in the wastage of food? Because not only the student, but I feel that here also there is a mutual connection that if food is good, no one will throw it away. That's why.
Yeah. So in this also a small clarity. I would like to tell this in a percentage wise.
Okay.
So coming to breakfast or something, we have a consumption of 60%. 60%
in breakfast.
In breakfast.
Okay.
So coming to lunch and dinner, it's almost 85. 85% is the consumption. So in this, if we see the whatever the remaining 15% of the wastage is there, that will be a two types of waste only. So one is the production waste, which is left over at the end of a dining, which is not served in the dining hall. One more is the which will be the kitchen waste basically. So coming to the plate wastage. So here what is happening? Combination, as you told, combinations, and coming to taste wise, it is an individual one. So this today's lunch I did not like because I don't eat that papu sharu.
Okay.
XYZ. So coming to more Colombo or something, I eat twice.
But when we have chole, which I also mentioned, it's very good. When we have some mixed veg, which is also decent. But during those days, people tend to eat more, or they go to counters and again refill the vegetables or anything.
Yes.
But when there are days when people genuinely don't like the food, then huge quantity is wasted. Means at that time, I don't think that it's a preference problem. I think that it's a genuine taste problem.
Yeah, genuine taste problem. So immediately what we do is like every month we conduct a food committee meeting. So or in this also the important role is the food committee student like who are involved in this. So they also supporting us very good. So they are also taking the feedback. Look, if the students so and so department are not willing to communicate with me, so they are freely going and communicating with the food committee student.
Correct.
So from that part in the meeting they'll tell, sir, on this particular subject, on this particular day menu, so we are getting a lot of bad feedbacks. So what we will do is immediately we'll change it off. So here individually we are not taking a decision. So here the department wise, the student whoever is involved in the food committee, so they'll come and tell us and So immediately, what are the
Okay,
changes?
so
that
if majority of the students facing any issue with a particular vegetable, then they should go to food committee. They can help them.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they can. Because each and every student has all the authority to approach the food committee.
Okay.
So what is happening is, so I might get some 10 feedbacks from here.
Okay.
But being a classmate or something, you are in a part of food committee.
Okay.
So your classmates will come and tell, this is not good, bro. Like we just want to change this, and this vegetable we don't want to include or
after
something.
speaking with food committee, the common problem which food committee redirects us with that there is a budget. Means as you mentioned that there is 130 or 180 rupees budget. So within those budget, we can't help by providing much quality food.
Yeah.
And we expect that this is not a restaurant. This is a mess where we focus on a hygienic food. That is the main priority.
Yes,
We
yes.
completely understand.
So here, like as you mentioned, like I would like to tell, so like coming to quality or something. So why I would tell this quality? So if the food is not likely for me, so I tell the food quality is bad.
Okay.
Here the taste is being judged as a quality.
Understand.
But why I'm telling this quality no issue is, recently we have got this ERC certificate.
Okay.
So ERC certificate, Vimal sir will explain you in further things. So you yourself has visited the dry store, so you can see what are the ingredients that we are using in our houses. The same ingredients are only being used. So here, the taste is being judged as quality.
Correct.
That's it.
No, that is the difference which we have understood, that
Yes.
the quality is fine, means we don't get sick by eating your food. We just don't like to eat means the couple days food. That's what we are
Yeah.
saying.
There's also,
Haan.
when there is a feedback or something, everything is acceptable. Until unless, like, if it reaching us, yesterday also we had a discussion with the food committee
Okay.
regarding the existing menu. We made lot of changes.
Okay.
So few changes, like including all the sambar in afternoon, because previously we didn't have sambar on a regular basis.
Correct.
So some rasam also on a regular basis, some dal also on a regular basis. So these are the feedbacks what we got from the food committee students. So immediately
Yeah,
we have
because
changed.
earlier what happened means if there is idli or mendo vada, it means there is idli in dinner. Means majority of the people don't like idli in dinner because it doesn't kill any hunger or anything. We don't have sambar during idli. Many a times it happened. So raw idli with chutney becomes tasteless. So one thing, and means in the evening snacks. Now earlier there was something called as misal pav.
Misal
So
pav.
I am from Mumbai. So that was very close to me and it genuinely helped. Means it was tasty.
Yes.
People could eat at least 2 paws means and they can either repeat that
Repeat
dish.
it, yes.
So that was genuinely good. And samosa and sandwich. These 3 evening snacks were fantastic.
Yes.
If possible, kindly bring it back.
100%.
Haan.
100% here too. Our only motive is to feed the student.
Correct.
So that should be hygiene
Hmm.
and quality and quantity
Correct.
also.
Haan.
So because here management is there because of students are there because of the management.
Correct.
So and 100% all the recommendations are taken into consideration.
Also lassi, nimbu pani, chas. These 3 are also very
Yes.
good drinks which genuinely help us. So yesterday I believe there was a lassi.
Yes.
If possible, try to increase the lassi on a
Sure.
frequent basis, twice or thrice a week. It would
We
be
will,
good.
we will.
Rest is fine.
भैया जैसे आप स्पेशल डिनर में आप जो चीज़ें डालते हो तो उसमें थोड़ा खर्चा ज़्यादा आता है. आप नॉर्मल डिनर में जो बनाते हो, नॉर्मल अपना खाना बनता है तो उसमें खर्चा कम आता है. तो अपन एक चीज़ कम कर दे खाने में से, जो नॉर्मल खाना खाता है उसकी एक चीज़ कम कर दे, और बाकी जो चीज़ें हैं उसमें थोड़ी सी, जो स्पेशल डिनर में आप कुछ नई अलग चीज़ें डालते होंगे जिसकी वजह से टेस्ट आता है, तो वो वाली चीज़ें हम नॉर्मल जो खाना होता है उसमें भी डाल सकते हैं क्या, जो उससे टेस्ट बढ़ जाए उसका?
देखिए जैसे कि आज का जो मेनू है वेडनेसडे का, इसमें ब्रेकफास्ट को एक बार के लिए स्किप करते हैं और जो लंच पे हम फोकस करते हैं. तो ये जो लंच में है आप देखिए चपाती है, ओके, ये कौन सा सलाद है, राइस है, ये क्या है,
पप्पू चरू,
पप्पू चरू, ओके, ये
कैरेट बीन्स कोकोनट पोडियल,
ये दूसरा,
ये गोभी टमाटो ग्रेवी,
अच्छा, फिर बटर मिल्क, पापड़ और
पापड़ और दूसरा का टमाटो चटनी.
हाँ. तो जैसे आप 2 अलग सब्जी दे रहे हैं, ये कैरेट वाला भी दे रहे हैं, कॉलीफ्लावर वाला भी दे रहे हैं, तो वो दोनों सब्जी देने की जगह पे आपको एक ही सब्जी दे, कि मान लेते हैं कि खाली कॉलीफ्लावर दीजिए आप.
ओनली कॉलीफ्लावर देगा ना उसको
हाँ.
रोटी के साथ खाने के लिए सर.
हाँ.
अभी कैरेट बीन्स पोरियल जो देगा वो राइस में खाएगा ना सर.
पर राइस के साथ तो आप ऑलरेडी रसम और दाल दे रहे हैं ना.
दाल नहीं, ओनली पप्पू चारू है, राइस के साथ खा सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
अभी कोई साउथ इंडियन स्टूडेंट है वो कैरेट बीन्स पोरियल के साथ रोटी खा जाएगा, तो गोभी पूरा आदमी पसंद नहीं है.
ठीक है.
वो नॉर्थ का साइड ओके, साउथ का साइड वो गोभी को पसंद नहीं है.
अच्छा
और
मतलब आप
गोभी-
कह रहे हैं कि नॉर्थ और साउथ का टेस्ट मैच नहीं हो पा रहा है
No, actually, what the chef is trying to tell is, in our university, like we have
उनके पास है।
so North Indian students and South Indian students also. So what here we are trying to do is satisfy everyone.
both okay
So in this today also, if you see in my lunch time, I had
हाँ.
papucharo.
Correct.
I didn't take roti.
हाँ हाँ
So then later on, I took roti. I thought I can eat with papucharo because it's a liquid dish, right? So
Okay.
I didn't choose cauliflower.
Hmm.
I just went with carrot beans puri. Okay, that was good for me because I don't like cauliflower. So they're giving some options over here.
and sometimes there are some items like snake god
Snake god.
हाँ so no one likes that
So that was also kept on the feedback itself. So
Ah.
yesterday also, like when we most of the food committee like students, what they tell us, say oil fry items for students, it is more like. So that is really based on their recommendations and approvals only. Like
so they just recommend but the taste is something which is your department
Yeah,
right so in
taste-
snake god if there is no taste means also day before yesterday or yesterday there was some आलू गवार की सब्जी थी आई गेस हाँ हाँ तो
आलू चिकन.
ऑल्सो उसमें भी कोई टेस्ट नहीं था मतलब आई हैड टू ईट विद जस्ट राइस दाल एंड कुछ चना so majority my food intake is just 1 or 2 roti and good quantity of rice because the sabji is not that good so that I can eat with roti so this is the common in sabji only we need to focus that if we focus in sabji rest
So
is fine
basically, like your conversation, like what I understood is the consistency.
हाँ
Right.
correct
So based on the consistency, like including with the food committee, we are also working on it.
okay
So we will also work and we'll be working on it.
okay so it was really nice talking to you बहुत मजा आया
So one more thing, sorry for the interruption.
Yeah, no issues.
So why I stopped this is an important one.
Hmm.
So now I have a small question for you.
Yeah.
So say we are doing this, say they are making it tastier or they are putting all their 100% efforts.
Hmm.
So coming to medical part or something, this is the most important thing. So
Okay.
one or the other way, this question might rise. So how is the employees' medical things are being monitored? So the person, whoever is working inside the kitchen,
correct
so they'll be given 3 different types of vaccination. That is TT, typhoid, and hepatitis B.
nice
So this will be checked by the doctors who are in our campus, along with the food audit teams also.
okay
And whoever is coming from outside, like we have few employees from Odisha and some other different places. So when they're coming inside the campus also, so the police verification certificate is mandatory. So
Okay.
that person is staying inside the campus. So everyone are being vaccinated and is being monitored, and they also go through monthly doctor checkups also.
follow-ups
Yes.
okay
So
आपका कब लास्ट चेकअप हुआ
फर्स्ट में मैं एंट्री हुआ वो
हाँ।
चेकअप में एंट्री
आपको भी इंजेक्शन दिया
हाँ सर
अच्छा
अभी इंजेक्शन लेके एक इंजेक्शन डाला 3 इंजेक्शन डाला वो 1 ईयर
ठीक है
valid for 1 year.
okay
So we can end here.
yes so thank you for your time sir it was nice talking
With you, Sif, sir.
nice.
you.
thank you
So share me your page also.
yes
Yeah, definitely.
beyond MBA now he will say about that
Okay, so this is the whole mess tour, and we asked the questions which student gave us to ask. If you have any doubts, any questions regarding this, anything you are not satisfied with, you can just put your comment. We'll definitely reach out to the mess manager. We'll ask them again. That's it from my side. Anything you want to say?
No, it was a wonderful tour and we got to know about the hygiene and everything. And we also know that it's not a restaurant, it's a mess and we have some decent expectation. It's not like we also have a high expectation. Sir clearly mentioned that what are the challenges which they face and what are the expectations which students have. And at the end, after this talk, we will follow for more.
Okay, bye bye.